Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Grant and welcome to my presentation on Naimark Law Firm. You've been hearing me in my other presentations talking about Naimark Law Firm, okay? The criminal activities of Naimark Law Firm. Ryan Naimark and Courtney Madison both joined forces with Mobilities, defense lawyer HICKS Morley Law, HOSSEIN MOGHTERDARI, and NICOLINI Law, NICOLINI and National Steel to falsely represent my cases. Okay. It was now Naimark Law's turn to complete its deception. Ryan Naimark and Courtney Madison, 2019 to 2022. July 2019. I was contacted by Naimark Law Firm on Friday, July 5th, 2019. I did not contact this lawyer. My name and number was given by one of my friend's friend, therefore considered an acquaintance to me. Okay, I spoke with Naimark Law Firm, who scheduled a meeting for July 11, 2019. I decided to attend so as not to confuse my other cases with the motor vehicle accident that occurred on July 2nd, 2019. A few months after I retained Naimark law firm, I found that they were affiliated with Healtopia, the physiotherapist, who had contacted me on July 4th. Okay, so Healtopia contacted me on July 4th, and Naimark Law contacted me on July 5th. Okay, this arrangement was also made by the acquaintance. So, as you can see here on July 11th, 2019, right? This was all about the motor vehicle accident. I retained Naimark Law, Courtney Madison, Naimark Law, right? I retained this law firm for my motor vehicle accident claim. Okay, and that's when I was told that they heard I had other cases. Surprisingly, I wondered how, right? And I was there searching myself, but not realizing the system at the time, that my name was flagged in the system, that is, okay, and that they would have known. And at that point in time, when I was asked by Courtney, she wanted all. Yeah, I was coerced actually, right? And she indicated that here you don't need to tell these lawyers about your car accident case at this point, or that you're spoken to me. Okay, she wanted said please also ask Benjamin Law for the status of your long-term LTD long-term disability case against MANULIFE. Okay, and yeah, please feel free to pause and read. We went through this already, okay? But this law firm wanted my wrongful dismissal case and my long-term disability case. They said that they didn't want my WSIB case because it can be complicated, but not knowing that there was a reason they need ADRIAN NICOLINI still in the midst. All right, feel free to pause and read. Thanks. You heard them mention about my Bell case and all that, WSIB case. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Rules of professional conduct. Okay, here it says affiliation between lawyers and affiliated entities. Where there is an affiliation, before accepting a retainer to provide legal services to a client jointly with non-legal services of an affiliated entity, a lawyer shall disclose to the client any possible whatever. Let's read through here, right? Because as I said, Naimark Law and Healtopia Clinic were affiliated, and I was not made aware. One of the many breaches by Naimark Law Firm. Okay, I brought this one forward because I said let you know that these two entities are affiliated. Okay, and I was not told by the lawyer. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. I came across this important document which was not included in the motor vehicle accident presentation. I forgot to include it, so I included it. Since Naimark Law and Healtopia is affiliated, I decided to put it here. Okay, Therefore, I have included it below for your review. My friend and I were injured in the first motor vehicle accident of July 2nd, 2019, of which Naimark Law was aware. I ran into my friend in November 2023 and was told that her case was dismissed because Naimark Law stated that there was no evidence that she was present at the scene of the accident. See below clinical notes from Dr. Bertolo, Hilltopia, right? Okay, my friend Princess, we were both in the motor vehicle accident, and her case was dismissed. My case was dismissed, as you know, right? However, this is proof, okay? He said driver, it says here, friend was front seat passage. You see that? First passenger, I guess that should be. Friend was front seat passenger. Okay. And it says stopped at stoplight at Torbram Williams Parkway. Okay. Hit from behind by third party vehicle. Right? You notice that she was in the accident too. Injuries, and it told her whole body pain, back and head pain. You see? Pain in both legs and all that. Okay? If you to pause and read, but Princess does have a case, okay? Because she was in that accident with me, all right? July 2nd, 2019, that's 9. July 2nd, 2019, okay. Please see presentation, motor vehicle accident, right? MVA after distorted medical records with details, rename Mark Law 2019-2022, okay. Total contract signed. I must be aware of what I did, okay? Total contract signed. On April 10, 2017, I signed a WSIB contract with NICOLINI law firm. On February 13, how many years later? Okay, February 13, 2019, I signed a long-term disability contract with Benjamin Law Firm. Right? And March 20, 2019, I signed a wrongful dismissal contract with SAMFIRU TUMARKIN Law. We went through that already, okay? The 3 contracts I signed, okay? On July 11, motor vehicle accident number 1, 2019, right? I signed a contract. So that's contract number 4, right? On July 26, 2019, right? I was coerced by Naimark Law to transfer my long-term disability case and my wrongful dismissal case to their firm. So my long-term disability case, that was with Benjamin Law, right? On July 26, 2019, it was given to Naimark Law. So I signed a contract, okay? My wrongful dismissal case, which was with SAMFIRU TUMARKIN Law, on July 26, it was moved over to Naimark Law. They both appear under one contract. That's why you see I have number 5. So this was the 5th contract that I signed with these 2 cases, okay? On September 6, 2019, my second motor vehicle accident case, okay, I signed a contract. And I kind of wonder, so it's open and close quotation. I did sign a contract, but it was I didn't receive a copy actually. In all, I had a total of 5 cases within the legal system. So 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, Sorry, 5. Yes, since these two were placed on one contract, it's 2 separate cases, so that's 5. So I'll try not to confuse you. So WSIB 1, the motor vehicle accident 2, long-term disability 3, wrongful dismissal 4, and motor vehicle accident number 2, 5 cases within the legal system. Okay. NICOLINI law lost interest in my cases as soon as I signed on July 26, 2019. As soon as I signed over my other cases from those other lawyers, Wow. Since retained on July 26, 2019 for wrongful dismissal long-term disability, NICOLINI law did not show any interest in retaining me for my accident dated August 8, 2019. A contract was signed a month later after several calls and emails, or was it an intent to deceive? Okay. Received a letter dated September 26, 2019 to inform of an examination for discovery. Wrongful dismissal scheduled for May 15, 2020. I had to wait 10 months since retained for the examination for the discovery, wrongful dismissal. There were no mention of the cancelled examination for discovery long-term disability, which was scheduled for August 16, 2019. NICOLINI's law intent was to hold on to all my cases and do nothing. Yeah. Wrongful dismissal and long-term disability in 2019 to 2022. July 15, 2019. July 15, 2019, okay, I did provide information to NICOLINI law. It was requested, right? And I did say, thank you for meeting with me on Thursday, July 11, 2019, right? And here I am giving them the breakdown. I said, NICOLINI. You notice I couldn't even spell NICOLINI because this lawyer was not my lawyer. He hardly communicated with me, so I didn't even know how to spell his name then. NICOLINI law had WSIB. Benjamin law had long-term disability, and SAMFIRU TUMARKIN law had wrongful dismissal. Please feel free to pause and read. Okay? Okay. This information here was on July 24, 2019. I had informed Courtney. I said, hi, Courtney, that there was an examination for discovery with Benjamin Law Firm for August 16, 2019. As you can see here, August 16, 2019, right? And I told them about SAMFIRU TUMARKIN law regarding a call that I received from him. Okay, so I was communicating with Courtney, NICOLINI law. All right. Okay, July 24th, 2019, I've enlarged it for you. Okay, this is it. I told Courtney after the discovery. Okay. Feel free to pause and read. Because here, SAMFIRU TUMARKIN law wanted to schedule a mediation. We need to conduct a mediation on both files as the next step. I guess he wanted to meet with Benjamin Law to discuss. Yeah. Okay. Feel free to pause and read. Thank you.